Welcome to this overview of the Cardio Shredded Weight Loss Fat Burning System Overview. Cardio Shredded Fat Burning Exercise System, a professional comprehensive fat burning system for stripping excess body fat out of the professional bodybuilding world, yet transformed into a more efficient fat burning weight loss systems for everyone else. You don't need to be a professional bodybuilder to use this system for its professional level completeness and efficiency to help you lose weight faster. Why not tap the secrets of pro bodybuilders who are arguably the best at fat burning on the planet? Learn Cardio Shredded Fat Burning Weight Loss System today if you're actually looking to get lean, toned and even ripped if you want. Once you learn this system, then you'll have a skill for life that you can use into the future whenever you want. Learn how to get lean and toned or even ripped and shredded with a professional grade fat burning exercise system for highly effective weight loss. Click the Buy Now button to get started below or continue on to find out more information. Cardio Shredded, a good solid fat burning system for the sake of helping you get lean, toned, with a flat belly, six-pack abs, a tight derriere, lean and toned face, toned arms without a hint of cellulite, and maybe even ripped, if you want to drive that all the way to ripped. Systems can bring results. Systems can bring more consistent results. The system is key when it comes to actually getting rid of all the excess body fat. Why? Because the fat burning process is a methodical one spread out over at least a certain amount of time. You can't lose all your excess weight in a few days because, well, that's ultra dangerous. Losing weight the fastest goes in waves. You can't just start running or even walking for 24 hours a day and burn off the rest of your fat. The body doesn't work that way. On top of that, attention span and focus are needed to see you all the way through to reaching the goal of a completely gorgeous lean and toned body. But since most people get distracted so easily in modern times, we can't depend on trying to focus with our willpower. Also, since the fat burning process doesn't happen right away, willpower cannot hold out for the duration, it tires out. So therefore, you need a system. A system is key. What's a system? It's a well figured out set of rules, a set of actions where you don't even need to figure out anything in real time or day by day. All you do is plug in the numbers. ABC 123, you simply need to show up, do the numbers, then presto, you get the results. And with weight loss, systems work. Every professional bodybuilder or fitness model knows this and would agree. Not that we're trying to turn you into a bodybuilder, but we can use the smarts and efficiencies of the bodybuilder world fat burning process that they use for getting ripped, for a competition to create a highly efficient fat burning system that works for the average person who just wants to get lean and toned, with a flat belly and looking really good in a bikini out on the beach. Want to learn a fat burning system that the pros use? What's a pro? It's a person who is a bodybuilder, who is a fitness model, who is a model, could be an actress, and who can't fool around with the excess body fat. A professional is one who absolutely gets the job done and is dependable to get the job done. It's a person who goes under the microscope of analytical eyes, people who are critiquing and checking the every speck on their body. And their career depends on how they look. Having that level of pressure of having your body be evaluated to such scrutiny helps elevate one's game. Having that level of pressure of intense scrutiny can bring focus to an individual that helps then gets the lean and toned, good-looking body they want, and do so directly and quickly. But, let's just say you are not a professional in one of those endeavors, which I'm assuming you are not, since you would probably already have your own fat-burning program that works. Although you may want to try something new and efficient like Cardio Shredded if you are bored with your lean body program, since the body, mind and emotions do easily get used to things. And if you don't have a career that demands professional level detail, what you can do is pretend. Yes, I said pretend, as something fun to do or used as a more seriously approached mindset technique. You are a professional, so you can reap the benefits that come with a professional level body. So if you use concepts such as act as if, fake it till you make it, maybe, and start doing things professionals do to obtain and maintain high levels of physical body presentation, while then turning that into a habit, well, you could reap a plethora of benefits. And who knows, maybe you could be recruited as a model, an actress, actor, a beauty, fitness, bodybuilder competitor someday too. Here is another approach: turn into a fat-burning robot, for the sake of getting the job done. Now it may sound like we are trying to be silly, but we're not. We are talking about putting on a robotic-like, cerebral mindset that can get you to execute the numbers of fat-burning actions needed in order to get the weight loss you want. Why would we say that? Well, the weight loss process can become very emotional, and usually, it is through the emotions that we lose perspective of the process and get off course in obtaining our lean the body goals. Additionally, a professional is one who gets very cerebral when it comes to fat burning. When it is time to burn off the fat, they become like a fat-burning robot. That's what professional bodybuilders certainly have to do. They cannot go by their feelings. They simply need to execute the commands, the instructions, the system that brings them the success they need. So yes, essentially they are executing a system. But in order to do that yourself, you're going to have to know exactly what to do in order to actually robotically or cerebrally burn off the fat without getting caught off in an emotional tangent which leads to failure. So do you see what we're getting at here? We're telling you a secret to success in finally getting that lean in time body you want. It does not have to be an emotional process where you try really hard. You just need to get into a groove with a professional fat-burning system. At first you'll be adjusting physically and mentally, emotionally to the system, but after a little while to get used to it and you can get into the groove all the way to the finish line of that lean body you want. What does professional fat burning mean? A professional gets the job done. Since this cardio fat burning system was inspired by traditional bodybuilding fat burning programs in combination with our own variations, that makes the bodybuilding fat burning process a more enjoyable, efficient journey. Efficiency means that we look to get more results out of the efforts put in. Additionally, we include education on how to move mechanically for better injury prevention and better, faster results as a professional would know. Also, because we call it professional, it is designed to drive home the complete job of fat burning all the way to very lean and toned levels, especially when combined with a good diet. Also, we have found that doing this cardio shredded system first changes our cravings for good foods that make us more lean and toned while getting rid of our cravings for junk foods. We are able to get more in tune with our physical body versus our emotions. And eating any old junk food then makes us feel icky and sicky. This is a great added bonus. Putting this cardio system first just makes getting lean so much easier in that regard, and makes starting a diet and staying on the diet so much easier. A professional model or bodybuilder has to burn all the excess body fat off their body so they look either very lean and toned or they look ripped. The job must be complete. They can't have any fat showing while they are up on stage in those little Speedos or string bikinis. You need this level of professionalism too. You need to be bikini ready or lingerie ready at all times. When you can purposely put on the professional's mindset to fat burning, you can overcome all of those doubts and fears you've had in the past that have kept you enslaved to some comfort zone of sporting unhealthy excess body fat. Also, we'll teach you important psychological and emotional tricks to help you break through all the way to the end when you may have gotten stuck in the past. The mind tricks make it much more enjoyable and easy to actually burn the fat off faster and all the way. If you want to get the job done in burning off the excess fat, then learn from the cardio shredded system, because we make it clear how to do it, and we also provide better efficiency versus old school bodybuilding methods that makes fat burning more doable and even more quick. So do you want it? So do you want to drive your body all the way to burning off all the excess fat so you look good? If so, then learn our comprehensive approach to getting it done in the cardio shredded system. Pick up a copy by clicking the Add to Cart button below. Learn and own a skill of fat burning by learning this cardio shredded system so you can use it on command into the future. Do you want it? Do you actually and really want that ideal lean body that you wish you had? You can have it, you know. Discover how to get the fat loss, the weight loss, the lean and toned body you want like the professionals by using a fat burning cardio system that they use, but then enhancing it so it's more effective and fast at burning fat, but yet more doable and fun for the average person who is not a bodybuilder. You see, professional bodybuilders for example, can't burn fat too fast because their priority is making bigger muscles and maintaining their muscles. Also, they don't have the energy to burn fat faster, since most of their energy goes to heavyweight training workouts and then recuperation to those workouts. But if your focus is only for becoming lean and toned, then you have the opportunity to burn fat faster. And on the other hand, so, if you're not a professional bodybuilder, then you have certain advantages over the competitive bodybuilder, since you can do certain methods that can trigger faster fat burning without having to deal with the struggles that come with trying to balance detailed muscle growth and size maintenance versus fat burning cardio. You can just go directly for the burning off of excessive body fat, which is great. I'm not saying you'll make your muscles smaller, but bodybuilders just have the extra worry about how they will look versus their competitor on stage. You just need to look good and not have to worry about how this little muscle strand or that comes through on stage. Cardio Shredded Smart Fat Burning System can give you that vehicle to finally just torch off that fat and be done with it, unveiling your beautiful body underneath. So if you're really looking to burn off that excess body fat, reaching your goal all the way to completion, then get Cardio Shredded. What's been stopping you from finally just clamping down on the lean body you want? Well, do you have enough knowledge to know how to answer this question? I ask that because I understand, due to lots and lots of experience of my own, of course, and that of others. You may have simply not known that there are ways to systematically and methodically, calmly, steadily, efficiently and effectively simply lose weight and burn off all the extra body fat that you want. And what I want you to understand today is that if you have been struggling with excess body weight, with excess hard to remove body fat, understand that it's different out there versus years gone past, especially if you are older. We are living in a totally different environments in terms of mindsets, foods, contaminations, toxins that disrupt the body's processes and alter normal operations in the body to make some strange things happen in the body, which then goes on to create body weight struggles. You could argue even that there has been a literal war on your body and health, stacking many more variables against you, which has made it harder than ever to deal with excess body weight. A lot of people like to talk about aging as a reason for body fat struggles. You could talk about hormones and slower metabolism and so on. Okay, but I'll tell you now that when you have enough knowledge and understanding, aging, as a reason for struggling with body weight issues is really not much of a reason at all, and it can be easier than ever to become lean and toned and stay that way as you get older. Now that's good news. You just need the knowledge, the insight and a plan that you can turn into a habit. And so what we want to do with the products on Magnaline.com is help people learn the many secrets and codes that we have cracked over the years and even in real time to help reverse engineer modern body weight struggles and even health struggles because they are related. We look to do so in natural ways, in logical ways and even very creative ways by combining concepts not only from different realms of health but even different realms of things from many different angles in life, concepts you wouldn't even think are related to having good health. Make sure you join our newsletter to learn more. We take a professional bodybuilder's approach for using cardio fat burning exercise in order to strip down to low body fat percent levels, but we've added some tweaks for the non-bodybuilder who just wants a highly efficient and effective way of exercise approach that can be self-adaptable. What are these tweaks? We made this bodybuilding professional fat stripping system more doable for the average individual who doesn't want to get down to 4% body fat and get up on stage in their Speedos. That said, there is no one who knows how to strip excess fat off the body while retaining muscle and shape better than a professional bodybuilder. Yet the problem is, stripping off the fat to those levels while retaining muscle like them is a full-time job. And most people are not professional bodybuilders. But it would be great to use the secrets, tricks and efficiencies that bodybuilders discovered over the years and use those secrets and techniques for our own advantage, so we can burn fat, lose weight more effectively. That said, most people never have performed a full-blown cardio exercise program. They need help. They need tips and tricks from someone who has a lot of experience. They need to learn techniques to learn how to move in a coordinated way to avoid injury, tweaks and twerks while making the exercise movement actually feel really good, inspiring them to come back for more. So if you've been struggling with just getting the job done of getting rid of the excess body fat, then get this system and master it. You won't have to worry about how to get the rest of your body fat off again in terms of a comprehensive fat burning program. You'll just need to coordinate how to eat in order to maximize fat burning and weight loss while still allowing your body to properly and efficiently recuperate from your workouts. On top of that, we have found by first just doing this exercise program without worrying about dieting helped us change our appetite, so you just start naturally craving only foods that help make you lean and toned. It's awesome. So now let's start the cardio exercise program first. Then this can help with the appetite change for better lean body inspiring food. Then specific dieting can follow, making it much easier to diet. This formula has worked great. So that's an added hidden bonus, which also an important factor which makes this system work. Although it's not so hidden anymore since we just told you about it. Fat burning and lean body getting needs a methodical and systematic process to get the job done actually and completely. Many people don't know how to exactly burn of all the excess fat. It's not really an intuitive thing, one could argue as well. So we need induction on what to do exactly in order to systematically burn off the fat and endure the duration that it takes in order to actually get the job done of obtaining a lean and toned body. That's what inspired us to make this course. You need to have questions like these answered. What exactly do you do for exercise? How do I know when to back off and when to move forward? How many times per week do I work out? How many times a day do I work out? How long should I work out? What speed and intensity levels do I do? How do I cycle my workouts? How do I recuperate faster? What if I'm feeling burned out? What do I do if I want faster progress? How do I prevent injury? How should I move for better coordination and to prevent wear and tear on my body? And so on. Also, amateurs do not know how to pace themselves properly. They usually go too far too fast and then blow themselves out of the whole process, coming far short of the goal. And then they give up and then maybe race off to the nearest Krispy Kreme donut shop in panic and despair, True story lol. Learn how to avoid such a thing. Hidden lean body sabotage deeply programmed into your mind is to blame for chronic blubber struggles. In essence, when you become fatter, overweight, you got there how? Through your habits. You don't get extra fat and puffy just by eating one big gigantic meal, did you? Of course not. So the key is to change your habits, at least in terms of exercising and hopefully also in terms of diet. Also on that note, let me tell you about a secret we found. We found that by diving into this cardio shredded fat burning system first, before starting to diet, our appetites changed automatically, making dieting much easier and even automatic. We started craving only top healthy foods that actually made us leaner and healthier and more toned because we started doing the cardio exercise system first. So it made the dieting process much easier by putting cardio first. This is a little secret certainly the weight loss industry doesn't want you to know. A lot of people do the opposite. They want to start dieting first, or they just want to diet without exercise. And often for a lot of people, this approach fails. Why does it fail? Because when a person's cravings don't change and they still crave the old stuff that makes them cheat or make mistakes consciously or even subconsciously to go eat here and there, some of the things that sabotage their diet. Additionally, they will struggle in their diet because on its own, because most never know about or deal with the root of their cravings. Plus, just by dieting alone, progress can go really slowly, whereas we have a smart exercise system for fat burning, you could start to burn off fat quickly. Additionally, remember that it's extremely important that we humans get plenty of exercise, especially these days in modern times. And in yesteryear, we didn't need to purposely do exercise programs because life was exercise. We engaged our physical bodies in strenuous tasks that got the blood flowing and moved the tar, the intercellular waste out, thereby cleansing our bodies and nourishing our bodies at the same time. Also, amateurs do not know or have not developed a way of moving that is physiologically and psychologically harmonious. Psychologically and psychologically harmonious. What does that mean? That means that when you exercise, your physical body coordinates with your mind and your emotions all together at the same time, so you are highly coordinated and your exercise experience actually feels good and enjoyable. Once you know how to operate in a psychologically harmonious way, that you can keep on going, proceeding forward with your fat burning system and even enjoy the process of burning off that extra fat, burning off that extra body weight to get to your lean body goal. A lot of people who don't have a method of being physiologically commodious and psychologically harmonious usually end up not finishing their program too, and if they do, they usually don't do a good job of it getting all the way to their goal. Also, some people who really have not figured out how to be physiologically and psychologically harmonious while they are exercising can even set themselves up for injury. If you are making the experience of obtaining your lean and toned body miserable, well, that's going to be a short-term and a long-term problem. If your experience is miserable, then you will likely not finish, and nor will you do that program again, which is why we tweaked cardio shredded to make it fun and enjoyable. What do we mean by using the word harmonious? We mean that your entire fat-burning exercise experience is a positive one that makes your body feel good instead of miserable while exercising and afterwards. Your lean body exercise program should make your emotions feel good instead of miserable. And when you can coordinate feeling good with a system that can methodically help you strip off the excess body weight layer after layer, then the probability of success in you reaching your lean body goals becomes very high. Therefore, what we want to do is make the process of burning off the excess fat an enjoyable one, but we need to deal with adjusting to first starting the cardio fat burning system. At the start, there may likely be a lot of fear and mystery as one starts into a new weight loss program, especially to finally get the job done of burning off the excess body fat. But once you get over the fear and mystery in the first week or so, then the process can start to become enjoyable and you start making the changes in your body and in your mind about that fat burning process, turning it into something that is fun and something that can bring the results. Then actually and finally getting the excess body fat off becomes much more of a possibility when you start to believe in the process. And you will believe in the process when you start seeing results. But you don't start seeing results until you dive in and start rolling with the program. We've made this cardio shredded fat burning system educational course to teach you from our own personal experience of over 3 decades in health and fitness, athletics, bodybuilding and personal training. We've seen and tested many things over time in regards to finding more and more efficient ways of burning off excess body fat. And so what we want to do is share some of the things we've learned in this fat burning system with you. We want to help you understand what it takes to finally get lean and toned, or even ripped. We wanted to teach you how to go all the way and get your ideal lean and toned body in a much smarter and more efficient way that becomes physiologically and psychologically harmonious, therefore enjoyable. It's all about the hump. Once you get past the initial hump, things start to flow more easily, effortlessly and automatically. It's kind of like in chemistry, whereas you have an initial activation energy to start off the reaction and then the reaction just occurs on its own after you get over that initial activation energy. Well, here we can get over this initial activation energy with the use of knowledge, understanding gained from Cardio Shredded Fat Burning Weight Loss System, which will show you how to ignite that spark of willpower to just get the reaction started, helping you step into the groove and groove all the way to the finish line. Willpower is best used in little concentrated spurts. And then you just plug into a good fat burning system like Cardio Shredded and just do the numbers of the system from there. Fat burning then becomes easy. Yes, I said easy. Willpower is not good though for the duration of a fat burning program or for the duration of a diet for that matter. We can't use our willpower for that long. Willpower will not last that long. So we all need to use willpower much more smartly. Our willpower is like a muscle and it will eventually tire out. So we need to be more intelligent in the way we use our willpower. We need a system. And when we have a smart fat burning system, we can use our willpower for our advantage instead of another disappointment after burning out by trying to make your lean body happen. When we use our willpower a bit more strategically by using an excellent fat burning system like Cardio Shredded, we then can set more automatic things in motion so we can more automatically burn off excess body fat. You're going to need a really good professional grade cardio fat burning system to get it done and actually get off all of the excess body fat professionally and completely, just as every bodybuilder and fitness model knows. It's about the system. In order to become successful in fat burning like the pros, you have to have a system. If bodybuilders try to wing it by feel, and without a trainer or a partner who knows what he or she is doing, then chances of winning are minuscule. You need a system that you can adapt to your own self. That's what Cardio Shredded is, a self-adaptable system even to every millisecond in time. You need a set of rules that you don't have to think much about from day to day, whereas you just execute the numbers. Yes, just execute the numbers. So it's, show up and do the numbers, then get the results. No extra thinking, figuring out or trying real hard. In order to succeed you can't have to try and figure things out anew every day. You need pre-designed simple, clear rules, ABC 123, to execute in real time so you don't have to think. Sure, you can tweak the system and refine it over time to fine-tune the system for you individually. And when you do that you have gold. When you have a system down pat individually tweaked for yourself, you have something very valuable. Now you can burn fat off with confidence every time, and you know you can look the way you want. Professional bodybuilders and fitness models have gotten to the stage by working through system and getting it down pat while maybe tweaking here and there for them individually. With Cardio Shredded we are giving you a system, a core system that you can use and fine-tune so you have a skill for life. Take action. Get a copy of this system and put it to use. In order to succeed in fat burning, one needs a highly systematized approach with an overall plan. It's very easy to get off course in a weight loss plan or a fat burning strip down plan. I'm sure you've experienced the difficulty of staying the course until all of the excess body fat is removed that you want to burn off. So we have a solution for that. Firstly and obviously we need to have the exact goal that we are trying to achieve. We can't just say, oh, I want to lose weight. Well, how much weight you want to lose? And why do you want to lose that amount of weight? The goal. What's the end result that you actually want to accomplish? I would guess that the end result you would actually want to accomplish is that you look stunningly good, that you look lean and toned with great body shape. Am I guessing correctly? Of course I'm guessing correctly, that's what we all want. And really it's not that we only want this lean and toned body, we want the results that can come with that lean and toned body. We want the opportunities that can come with that lean and toned body, don't we? Of course we do. What I would suggest right now is for you to start imagining what life could be like if you had that perfect body. Imagine if you had the body of your favorite model or celebrity. What would your day-to-day life be like? Could you find your ideal mate better? Could you maybe finally get the attention of that one person that you really, really like to finally start paying attention to you? If you're married, what would your marriage become like? What if you and your spouse got in fantastic shape with an absolutely gorgeous lean and toned body? Now that could be fun. Talk about resparking a marriage. Your hormones, your libido will also likely get a boost too. The Cardio Shredded program works with you from where you are. Cardio Shredded provides the 12-week process that will take you stage by stage for turning you into an improved version of yourself, athletically speaking, starting from where you're starting even if you have to crawl. So you don't need to be an athlete, young or in shape at all. Yes, we have tweaked this system to become adaptable to the individual. And regardless, we all work in waves and layers in order to build ourselves up and to also strip that excess body fat off. Having a systematized plan is so important for obtaining the body that you want. Just ask bodybuilders. They have to get up on stage in essentially a string bikini or a Speedo suit for guys. You cannot have any excess body fat showing or it really stands out and becomes highly embarrassing, especially in comparison to competitors. Well, technically we all have competitors and we're looking to attract others, and those competitors are our fellow humans. The Cardio Shredded Fat Burning System will give you the vehicle, the system, the exact method for obtaining your dream lean body goal. If you want to get lean, just get started now. Pros don't mess around. You shouldn't either. When it's time to burn off that excess body fat, they don't keep thinking about it, they just start. Haste makes muscle waste. This is why you want the methodical 12-week program instead of mistakenly trying to get off your excess body fat in a couple weeks. Pros don't want to burn fat off too quickly because if they do they'll lose body shape and muscle mass, and they don't want it burn off fat too slowly because there's a deadline, which is the show or beach season or a photo shoot or a wedding. So if you just want to get it done, now you have a method, a vehicle to take you there. Yes indeed, making up your mind resolutely to obtain that gorgeous lean body that you've wanted is key. You will make happen. Believe it. Achieve it. Why the pros know how to get it done. We know how to burn fat systematically and methodically, like a machine, when we need to get shredded. Learn from us and copy our secrets. Look, it's no joke when you're up on stage in a little Speedo or bikini. You can have any blubber anywhere. So there's no messing around and getting rid of the extra body fat. You absolutely need a cardio program that can systematically let the machine burn off that fat. When we have to get it done, when that visible fat just needs to be gone, then there is no time for tricks. Yet we still need a cardio burning method that is highly efficient, doable, and can help retain muscle. Now of course we have a diet that coordinates with our weightlifting routine, but it's the cardio program that burns off most of the fat. And what you need to do in the world bodybuilding is that YSO. What we are looking to do here is translate the efficiency and professional level of fat burning from the bodybuilding world to you. It's time that you learn the secrets too, so you can make fat burning much more easy and certain. But by borrowing secrets, knowledge and understanding from the pro bodybuilding world, the average individual can then thereby put themselves in position for finally and actually get the job done of getting that lean body they've always wanted. Don't forget, beach season seems to always be right around the corner, bikini time. Are you ready? Well, if you're looking to not mess around anymore and actually be ready for beach season, then get this Cardio Shredded Fat Burning System program and know how it's done. Oh, you have to start earlier using fat burning exercises that won't burn off your muscle. You don't want to do certain types of cardio that basically turns you from muscle-bound bodybuilder into looking like a bicyclist. And we know a first-time Mr. Olympia competitor who did this in combination with the wrong diet. Wow, that was shocking. Learn the subtle secrets that make the little shifts that cause the difference between a lean, toned and ripped body versus one that doesn't change much. Making the breakthrough into finally losing the weight and burning off the excess body fat that you want comes down to little things, believe it or not. And it's these little things that shift the balance in the body. And guess what? There's parts of you that do not want this change in your body. But those parts of you are necessarily your friend. Your physical body absolutely wants to be lean and toned. It wants to be clean on the outside and inside. It wants to operate efficiently and thrive, having efficient nutrient delivery and efficient waste product removal after digestion and from out in between the cells. On the other hand, the factors related to your emotions would rather that you stay as you are. These factors are not your physical body's friends. These factors are not your friends because by keeping you from your health goals, not only can they put you in a position to get into health trouble, but they can also prevent you from succeeding and obtaining the success that can come with a lean and toned body. Get a full-blown cardio fat burning system that you can apply when you absolutely need to get lean, toned and/or ripped for whatever occasion. Professional bodybuilders and fitness models know what they're doing, or at least they learn really quickly and they don't mess around. A lot of people like to make excuses saying that these professional bodybuilders and fitness models just have good genetics. But when you realize genetics is essentially your set of habits and your individual environment, then you realize you no longer have excuse. You may simply have lack of knowledge and understanding for getting that lean and toned body you want. Maybe you also have various negative beliefs about yourself. But as you start learning Cardio Shredded, we teach you how to break through those negative beliefs in a practical way, in a step-by-step way that is doable, and doable relative to the individual, even if you have to crawl the whole time. Cardio Shredded is a must-have system for, well, everyone else on the planet who don't have their perfect body that they want besides seasoned bodybuilders and fitness models. Additionally, there are tremendous health benefits associated with the Cardio Shredded program that you will certainly want to have. We've stumbled upon an incredible new secret with Cardio Shredded, one that changed our appetite, getting us to only crave foods that would make us even more lean and toned. Now this certainly was an incredible new secret we stumbled upon. Because most people try to diet their way to lean body success first, and most people don't do so well that approach. Additionally, others who try to rely only on weightlifting can tend to easily overeat for recuperation's sake, those who aren't very experienced. Hence you have the end result of getting what people call bulky. It's a fine art to only do weightlifting while being or becoming lean and toned, shredded and ripped. So what we discovered is that by not getting so concerned about dieting but by starting the Cardio Shredded program first, the Cardio Shredded program changed our appetites, getting us to crave only those foods that make us lean, toned, even ripped. So then it became way more easy to lose the excess body fat, to lose the weight, making dieting so much more easy. So therefore the diet followed the Cardio Shredded program. So if you have been struggling with dieting and losing the weight, you may just want to start our Cardio Shredded program, because doing so could give you that breakthrough. Plus it just makes the whole fat losing process so much more easy. And let's not forget, all this cardio exercise is extremely healthy, and in modern times people on average simply just don't get enough this cardio exercise. Cardio Shredded program triggers a genuine change in your appetite, whereas the stuff making the stuff that makes us fat unappealing and even disgusting. And on the other hand, we found that we only wanted to eat the healthy types of foods that make us lean and toned after first starting to get into better cardio fat burning shape. This made attaining a lean body so much easier. You have to get to know and understand this trick. Get the Cardio Shredded fat burning system today to discover this trick. We'll teach you more about our approach and how to trigger the appetite changeover in the course. Once you can change the food cravings, then presto, you're free and weight loss becomes so much more easy. Discover several cardio exercise fat burning techniques that could be missing puzzle pieces to the picture of your ideal lean and toned, beautiful ideal new body. Flexibility of Cardio Shredded. This Cardio Shredded program can be used for the more ambitious person who is looking to achieve excellent shape with low percentage body fat. This program can also be used to help you get ready for a photo shoot or a bodybuilding related competition. On the other hand, if you were getting ready for a photo shoot or a bodybuilding competition, you would probably already have your own very detailed and personalized program already. You probably wouldn't be reading this paragraph. This Cardio Shredded program is for those who are not already professionals and who want to gather more insight on how to use the secrets of professionals in order to become more efficient in their own burning and body shaping endeavors. This is an educational course, gives you knowledge and understanding to help you become more efficient and potentially finally get the job done, you getting your ideal lean into the body by stripping off excess body fat through the cardiovascular exercise methods in this course. That said, this Cardio Shredded can also be used by those who are out of shape, who've been injured in the past which slowed down overall activity, and who want to start working on restoring their agility and strength as noticed and experienced personally. Those who've become more sedentary due to desk jobs or use of technology and are looking for an organized approach to getting in shape, staying in shape and becoming more healthy. Those who are older and want to help restore agility and mobility while boosting health in a methodical way that can correspond to them individually at the moment, at the pace and intensity levels that are appropriate for them at any moment in time. Those who have not exercised in a long time to provide an organized, smart approach to getting back in better shape in a methodical way. Those who need a way to start learning how to listen to their own physical bodies and coordinate with their physical body, moment by moment basis with our variation of the perceived exertion scale. How is it possible that one can use Cardio Shredded to get shredded ripped for a bodybuilding, figure, fitness, any posing or any modeling competition or photo shoot at the same time as someone 100 pounds of fat overweight who hasn't exercised much in years? Well, I've cracked that code through a combination of the use of my perceived exertion scale, the mental mind state performance approach, and the Cardio Shredded system. You'll learn how to work with your body to cunningly coax it to get your body to do what you want. The Cardio Shredded program is designed by me, for me, a certified desk potato, who continually fights slow metabolism, weakened legs, knees, feet, back and ankles from sitting many hours a day due to work, for when I needed to get ripped fast. You can use the system and adapt it to you if desired. Many years of testing experience has gone into this program. I am not a 20-year-old who was on steroids. I'm now in my 40s and sit in front of a dang computer way too much. I've had 3 knee surgeries which slowed me down and thrown out my balance. And I am not a full-time fitness career person anymore, which means I have many other responsibilities and need peak mental and emotional energy for work versus others who have all day to work on their body and nothing else. In short, I face the challenges most people face, yet through smart systems and strategies I am able to look like a full-time fitness professional. And that's what makes systems like this that I create powerful. They can work for the normal person who doesn't have all day to work out, prep 7 meals a day and take steroids, or other illegal gear, to help them get ripped. Also, I've had decades of fitness training, testing knowledge accumulation in addition to access to top minds in human fitness, muscle development, health optimization and athletic performance at my disposal. I've been involved in sports my whole life, personal training and weight training, bodybuilding. Growing up in a medical family allowed me access to all sorts of information while I tested various supplements and combinations over the years, not steroids, on myself, the pursuit of superior human health. My overall point is that I develop fitness products for normal people, people who have had injury, or gotten out of shape, who have let aging get the better of them. I look to achieve maximal results through harmonizing with the body, and injury prevention is a priority concern because allowing ourselves to get injured simply a massive waste of time. I believe physical advancement is obtained through inspiration, through inspiring our body with gradual and systematic stimulation. I also believe that your exercise or diet regimen is too harsh or tries to do too much in one session for through a period of time that regimen will fail miserably. So in summary, there is a lot that has gone into this Cardio Shredded program that can help you gain knowledge and understanding for becoming much more efficient in your weight loss, your fat-burning ambitions to obtain your ideal lean and toned body that you want. And by getting the Cardio Shredded Fat Burning System today, you will gain knowledge and understanding that can help you finally get the job done. You're going to get an exact program you can do, that you can plug into without having to do much thinking or figuring out. So now you will have a way to the lean body you want by following the system, ABC 123. And remember that this system will coordinate with you physically at the moment, and we have built this into the program. Imagine being able to have the exact fat-burning superpowers to completely, totally and utterly get rid of the excess body fat like professional bodybuilders do. Whenever you want to get rid of the fat, you'll now know exactly how it's done. Click the Add to Cart button to get started. Add to your abilities to burn fat, to become lean and toned and even ripped if you want to get ripped. Put this valuable Cardio Shredded system to work. And when you do it once, you'll own a skill for life for whenever you need to burn off that excess fat. And now you will have an exact method to do so while always being ready for beach season. Click Add to Cart below to get started. No longer will you be in prison, you that excess body fat. You be able to diet correctly and easily once you get your appetite changed through the Cardio Shredded program. Click the Add to Cart button to get started. Click Add to Cart below to get started.